Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today we are going to make General Tso's chicken. If you're a Chinese food lover, this recipe is super simple and you will love it. Let's start with the ingredients. I have 1.5 pound chicken thighs cubed and 1 egg. I personally like chicken thighs better than the breast. And I have white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. I have a 2 tablespoon tapioca or cornstarch. I'm using a tapioca starch, but you can go ahead and use the cornstarch. I also have 2 tablespoons flour, regular flour. I have 1 tablespoon cooking wine. You can use cooking wine or Chinese rice wine, that will do too. Mix them well to coat them. Then I'm also adding 1 tablespoon soy sauce. If you want to add light soy sauce, go ahead and do that. I'm using a dark soy sauce. And I'm also using 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Let me tell you, this baking soda is the secret ingredient in this recipe, which many of us do not know. So I suggest do not skip this step. Now mix it and just set them aside. In another bowl, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1.5 tablespoon packed brown sugar. You can also use regular sugar or you can use honey. If you're using honey, then use 1/4 cup of honey to get that consistency. I have 6 to 8 dry red chili. You can use as much as you want depending on your spice level. I have 2 tablespoons soy sauce, dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine or Chinese rice wine is okay, 1 teaspoon corn or tapioca starch. I'm using tapioca starch, and combine them well. So now this is the key ingredient for the recipe. The more the sauce gets the flavor, your chicken gets the flavor. Now let's set it aside and let's heat the pan. Once the pan is hot, I'm using a coconut oil, but you can definitely use any oil that you like. I like coconut oil in every cooking of mine. Now I'm adding chicken, individual pieces, or as long as it's not crowded, that's good. You can use larger pan if you want so that you can put them all in one go. I'm going to fry them into 2 batches. Fry them until it's a golden brown, and you can cook them on high heat, no problem, but you just make sure you keep an eye on them. Unless you have some other things to take care of, then you just keep it on a medium high heat, but you still keep an eye on them. We get this golden brownish color because we have a soy sauce in it, so we don't want to overcook it or burn it. Now once it is all cooked, take it and drain the excess oil in the paper towel or kitchen towel, whatever you like, and repeat the whole process of cooking the chicken again. And once the chicken is done, all cooked, I will let you know what is the next step. Let's cook the chicken first. This is one of my favorite Chinese takeout. I decided to try this myself today. For my surprise, it's super simple and super easy, and I'm so glad I tried this today. Now I've fried all my chicken, so I'm heating the pan. You can use pan or a wok. Now my pan is hot. I'm going to add the oil that I used to fry the chicken, 1 tablespoon. Now I have 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon finely grated ginger, and the fried chicken. All my fried chicken, I'm going to just dump it in there. Don't worry about frying the garlic and chicken because it's going to all combine together and have the good great flavor. That sauce right there is all the flavor that you need. It's a great sauce. It smells so good already. Oh my god, you should definitely try this recipe. You will not be disappointed, I promise. I'm going to add half of my green onions and I'm going to save half for the garnish. Just combine them, high heat, just keep stirring them, just don't let it stick in the bottom. Keep stirring till the consistency is not runny anymore. Like this is not the consistency I would like to have in my chicken. So I'm going to just cook some more till it gets thicker, just perfect. Now the chicken is perfectly cooked, the sauce is all well combined and ready to be plated. You look at that, it looks great, it smells great. I just wish you could smell it. You can eat this with plain rice or just as an appetizer. Either way, it works great. Finish off by garnishing with white sesame seed and some green onions that I saved earlier. This is super simple, easy recipe. Please do try and do not forget to comment below, and do not forget to subscribe for more recipes. Stay tuned. Bye guys.